So here is our sushi style of rice. And the veggies that I make the patty and then put in here. And the sushi. Now we're gonna put some olive oil. Since we don't have a sesame oil, guys, you can use avocado oil or this olive oil. Yeah, that's it. You can use Parmesan cheese or the other cheeses, 3 cheeses that Italiano use for pizza. I'll put this one here. Okay, that's nearly open, close, and fresh. Tiny bit going. This is a la sushi, but it's not really sushi, that authentic sushi. This is the sushi style that I like. It's gonna be nice and gooey here. And yummy, creamy cheese. I can put Parmesano on the top, but it's okay. It's a lot of cheeses now. So the rice in there. Okay, that should be enough. It should be covered in the corner. This is like semi pizza as well, but the base is this one. So now I have to finish this. Then I bake in the oven for 25 minutes for 180 degrees, okay? Or even 20 to 25 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius. A little bit of taste of this. Herbs. That's it. And probably I put this on the top to bake more. And it will be crispy. Let's see what the result was when I finish cooking. So I put that one there and there. So make sure I put some oil on this too. Really nice and crispy. Just sprinkle in the corner. So it'll be crispy, chara. Nice. So if it's happened, probably this one finished before your veggies and the sushi in the bottom not done, just remove this. For sure it'll be really crunchy, and then sit aside it until this one is nice and melted. Around 20 to 25 minutes. Let's see what happens, guys. I'll see you in the part episode of this. Cheers. Sushi experience and do adventure with your food. Cheers. Okay, let's bake it now. Already have preheated oven now.